Yo, what's going on, everyone? Thank you for stopping by another Grilling with Davvy episode. Today, we're going to be grilling some barbecue and hot wings. Yes, hot wings. Comment down below very fast. Are you more of a barbecue or hot wings fan? And do you like wings or drumsticks? I'm very curious. But either way, today we're gonna be making 7 barbecue wings, 7 hot wings, and slapping them on this bad boy right here. We got the grill started up, waiting for it to heat up. We got the chicken prepped inside. I'll take you inside and show you what that looks like and the steps I did and ingredients I used for that. But it's another beautiful day, another day to make a beautiful, fun Grilling with Davvy episode. I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. Thank you so much for the recent support. I truly appreciate you all, and let's just hop right into it. All right, so the ingredients we are going to be using for this one, you can really use any type of hot sauce or barbecue sauce, but for me personally, I'm going to be using, for the hot wings, we're going to use a little bit of kickin' chicken seasoning, spice it up a bit, and we're going to use some sriracha. For the barbecue, we're going to use a little bit of sticky sweet barbecue sauce mixed with just some normal barbecue sauce and a little lemon pepper. And we're going to mix it with some salt and pepper. And here is the chicken before we get any seasoning on it. These are chicken wings, by the way. How many do we got? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. We got 14 wings here. So 7 barbecue, 7 hot. Sounds perfect to me. Let's get to it. All right, so here we pretty much got all the ingredients on. We got the hot sauce on 7 right here. Then we got barbecue sauce on 7 more with the lemon pepper on the barbecue and the kickin' chicken on the hot. So we got it all in there. We're just gonna pretty much use this type of tool, which is like a brush for food, and kind of just brush it on there. Make sure the chicken is entirely coated. I'm going to do it to every single one of them, and I will show you how the finished product looks like. Alright, so here's pretty much the finished, well, not finished product, the product before we put it on the grill. So we got the hot ones and barbecue. Chicken doesn't take too long to cook, especially chicken wings, because it's not a thick cut. So I'll keep you guys updated on how long I cook it and where I place it on the grill, all that good jazz. Alrighty, so I just got the chicken out here and I just slapped it on the grill and marinated the other side, which means pretty much just put the same exact ingredients I put on the first side. So I put the first side we marinated down, and then I resauced and did everything to the next side. I'll give you guys a better view on what that looks like right now. Alright, so here we go. We got the barbecue ones back here, we got the hot ones up front. So now what we're gonna do is just close it on up. We got the paintbrush out here still, as well as our ingredients right here. So we're gonna keep slapping some of these on. It's 165 degrees for anyone who doesn't know or how to tell when their chicken wings are done. I'm getting You guys all right? I dropped you there. Glad you're okay. But cool. Back to it. Chicken has to be cooked at 165 degrees internal temperature. So I'm going to keep it on this one side that I showed you for maybe 8 minutes-ish. Then we're going to flip it, re-slap some sauce on that side, cook the next side for about 8 minutes, and then it should be done, honestly. Chicken is pretty easy to cook. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this episode. I hope you're enjoying your summer. Comment down below if you're still here. Drop a chicken emoji in the comments. Lets me know who's still here, who's still watching. I appreciate you, whether you made it this far or not. I love you all. Thank you guys for being here for me. You make my life better. You make my life easier. And you make me more happy. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. I hope you enjoy this series. All right, so we did flip the chicken one time, and this is how we're turning out, or how it's turning out so far. I think it's looking pretty good. Personally, I like it when it's a little bit more crispy and dark like that. So we're gonna cook some like that because that's how I like it, and then we're gonna cook some to perfect cooking expectations, I guess you could say, for my wife. But I'm gonna slap some more barbecue and hot sauce on these. I think they're looking really good. These ones are the hot sauce ones. These ones are the barbecue back here. I think they're looking pretty good so far. Pretty good. All right, so we're just taking them and giving them a good old flipping. This might be one of the last times we flip them. Resauce this side a little bit. It'll be good to go. I'm not gonna jump the pool yet. I'm gonna still give you guys a chance. Comment down below if you think I can jump over that. It's a little low right now, but you just wait. I'm gonna give you guys a little test run. We'll see what we can do. Poor attempt. Very poor attempt. Don't know if I'm gonna leave this in the video. Give it another shot. Might be a little easier if I'm actually jumping over something. I'm gonna have to look back at this and see how close I am. I'm out of breath. I'm out of shape. Next time you see me do this, we're gonna be jumping over it. All right, so the wings have been up for about 20 minutes now. Just giving them the final touches, letting them finish the way I like. I'll give you a little preview. That's how they're looking. Pretty much done, like I said. I don't know if I mentioned, but I am taking a couple of these wings over to my grandma's house. Not sure if she has dinner tonight, but I'm gonna just surprise her with a couple chicken wings, see how she likes them. I haven't made anything for her ever, so I'm curious to see. All right, and here is the finished product. So I ran out of tin foil, which is why they're all right here. So this is a mix of barbecue and hot sauce. You can kind of tell these ones are looking like barbecue, and this one kind of looks like hot sauce. The hot sauce are just a little less crispy for sure, and just has a tint of red to it. But so far, I mean, from the looks of it, I think they look pretty good. Pretty good. Wish I could share with all of you, but that's why I make these. So you could try your own recipes if you ever wanted to try this, and you never know, maybe it'll turn out even better than mine. So if you ever do make any of these recipes or anything similar to it, please let me know. Send me a link, send me a picture, anything. I would love to see it. I'll give you my reaction. This is my plate. I have, I think, 2 barbecue and 1 hot to start. And just dive in there, see the texture of it, and wait, is that hot? Okay, that's a hot one. Maybe I shouldn't give my grandma those hot ones. All right, let me try it. Let me try this one. Is this one barbecue? That was barbecue, but holy. I mean, the flavor's there for sure, but them hot ones are hot. I don't know how much hot sauce I use, but them are hot. Comment down below, are you more of a barbecue or hot sauce fan? If you made it to the end of the video, drop a purple heart. I love you all. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, if you make any of these recipes, please let me know. I would love to see how it turned out. I love you all. Have a beautiful day. Stay safe, stay positive, and stay happy. Until next time, peace out.